Students, next topic we discuss about inflorescence. In previous class we discussed about vegetative parts of root, stem and leaf. Now this is reproductive part. It is a reproductive part. Root and stem and leaves are vegetative parts. But reproductive morphology is completed. Vegetative morphology is completed. Now today discuss about reproductive parts, reproductive morphology. So in which, what is inflorescence? What is inflorescence? Inflorescence is nothing but the mode of arrangement of flowers. The mode of arrangement of flowers. Now this is the floral axis. Students, what is the flower? What is the name of the floral axis? Peduncle. The floral axis is called peduncle. The mode of arrangement of flowers. Now, bracts flower, bract flower, bract pedicel flower, bract pedicel flower. So, the mode of arrangement of flower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers etla arrange ayi unnayi axis paina, that is inflorescence. Oka axis paina flowers yokka arrangement ela unte is known as inflorescence. So the mode of arrangement of flowers on floral axis is called inflorescence. So there are three types of inflorescence reported in flowering plants. One is raceme, the second one is cymose, and third one is special types. And third one is special type. So today we discuss about raceme, racemose inflorescence, cymose inflorescence, special type of inflorescence. Three type of inflorescence reported in flowering plants. But today discuss only racemose inflorescence. It is also called definite inflorescence. Indefinite. It is also called indefinite inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence is also called indefinite inflorescence. So, what is racemose inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence is nothing but the peduncle growth is indifferent. Nothing but the peduncle grow continuously throughout the life, not in definite growth, indefinite growth. Indefinite nothing but the peduncle growth is continuously throughout the life, and flowers are formed either side of the axis, that is racemose. And flowers are arranged in two manner, acropetal manner as well as centripetal manners. Students, racemose inflorescence, the axis grow continuously and flowers are formed both sides of the axis, so it is indefinite. And flowers are arranged in two manner, acropetal manner, and the second one is centripetal manners. How many types of racemose inflorescence there? 6 types: simple raceme, corymb, umbel, spike, spadix, head. First, raceme. What is raceme? So raceme is very simple. The bractate. Now this is the raceme inflorescence. Now this is a bract. Students, so bract pedicel flower. Bract pedicel flower. This is bract. This is pedicel flower. The first one is bract, and second part is pedicel, and third one is flower. Bractate pedicellate flowers. Bract pedicel flower. Bract pedicel flower. Now this is bract pedicel flower. Bract pedicel flower. Arranged in which manner? Acropetal manner. This is very important. The flowers arranged in acropetal manner is called simple. Is called raceme. If it is branched, it is called simple raceme. If it is unbranched, it is called simple raceme. It is branched, it is called compound raceme. Okay? Two types are there. Simple, nothing but unbranched axis. Compound, nothing but branched axis. So bractate pedicellate flowers are arranged. So questions ela adutadu raceme lo. So raceme lo flowers a model arranged acropetal manner. So nothing but 1, 2, 3 alternate. One, so right, left, right, left, right, left. This is the acropetal subsystem. The mode of arrangement of flowers in acropetal manner. Bracted pedicellate flowers arranged in acropetal manner, even though they arise in different nodes. That is very important. And resin is also two types: simple resin and compound resin. Simple resin commonly reported in Crotalaria, Gentium, and compound resin commonly reported in Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica, and also simple resin is commonly reported in P and bean also. Next, corymb. So look here, this is the corymb. This is corymb. The first flower, second flower, third flower, fourth flower, fifth. So bracted pedicel flower, bracted pedicel flower, bracted pedicel flower, bracted pedicel flower, bracted pedicel flowers. So all are bracted. So bracted nothing but airy-like structure. Now this is the stalk of the flower is called pedicel. Now this is flower. This is pedicel. This is bracte. Okay, students. But look here, in corymb, all flowers are brought to the same height. Why the all flowers are brought to the same height? Because the flowers pedicel varied in length. The flower pedicel is varied in length. Long, short pedicels. Even though they arise from different nodes. They arise from different nodes. Students, the flowers are brought to the same height. Why? Because varied length of pedicel అంటున్నాడు. Varied length of pedicel. Big pedicel ఉంది దీనికి, ఇక్కడ చిన్న pedicel ఉంది చూడండి. Long pedicel, short pedicel. సో ఫస్ట్ దానికి లాంగ్ pedicel ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ దానికి కొంచెం లాంగ్, ఫిఫ్త్ దానికి వెరీ షార్ట్ లాంగ్, ఇంకా సిక్స్త్ దానికి ఇంకా షార్ట్ pedicel length. And also they arrange from not in common point, different nodes. That's why all flowers are brought to the same height. The meaning important question, examination point. The flowers are varied length of pedicel, even though they arise from different nodes. That is known as corymb. So it is also simple and compound. Simple nothing but unbranched axis, compound nothing but branched axis. So example, cassia, cauliflower, and apple also, Pyrus Malus. Pyrus Malus, best example. Cassia, Pyrus, cauliflower, Brassicaceae family, as Cassia family. Are you clear? So it is commonly reported in Cassia species and Pyrus Malus and cauliflowers. The next one is umbel. So in umbel, look here, all flowers are slightly, this is the axis. The apex of the axis slightly condensed. Look here, look this image. The apex of the peduncle is slightly condensed, and all flowers are arranged from common point. The important point, common point which is so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So center to lateral, the flowers are born center to lateral is known as centripetal manner. But in the first one, the flowers are arranged in acropetal manner, nothing but base to apex, alternate manner. But in umbel, the flowers are born centripetal manner, nothing but the flowers are formed from center to lateral. It's called centripetal raceme. Are you clear? Then this type of, then all flowers are protected by bracte, is nothing but involucre bracte. Involucre bracte. The flowers are protected by bracte, is known as involucre bracte. So it is a very important. This type of inflorescence is commonly reported in Umbelliferae family. Umbelliferae family. Are you students? So like Allium cephal, Allium sativum, coriander. So best example of umbels. So it is also two types, simple and compound. Simple nothing but unbranched, compound nothing but branched axis. The next one is spike. So look here. So spike, spadix, head. So three are sessile flowers. Then first three raceme, corymb, umbels are pedicellate flowers. Flowers pedicel ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ 3 కి 1 2 3 కి. బట్ ఈ లాస్ట్ 3 కి స్పైక్, స్పాడిక్స్ కు హెడ్ కు పెడిసిల్ లేదట. డైరెక్ట్ బ్రాక్ట్ ఉంది, ఫ్లవర్ ఉంటుంది అంతే. ఇలుకే బ్రాక్ట్ ఫ్లవర్, బ్రాక్ట్ ఫ్లవర్. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాను? బ్రాక్ట్ పెడిసిల్ ఫ్లవర్ అన్నాను. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు? ఓన్లీ బ్రాక్ట్ ఫ్లవర్, డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్లవర్, నో పెడిసిల్. Those flowers are called sessile flowers. Why those flowers are called sessile flower? Due to the absence of pedicel. Due to the absence of pedicel, the bracted sessile flowers are arranged in which manner? Acropetal manner. So ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, what is the differentiation between the spike and raceme? In raceme, flower is pedicel, but in spike, flower is sessile. Both are same, acropetal, acropetal. ఇక్కడ స్టాక్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ స్టాక్ లేదు అంతే. దెన్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఇక్కడ నో పెడిసిల్, ఇక్కడ పెడిసిలేటెడ్, ఇక్కడ వితౌట్ పెడిసిల్, అండ్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ టు సేమ్. అండ్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆర్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ acropetal manner. Okay madams, the flowers are arranged in acropetal manners in both in raceme as well as in spike, but it is pedicillated. Now this is sessile flowers. So this type of inflorescence is commonly reported in Acheronthus and wheat, especially grasses family, Poaceae family, Poaceae family or Gramineae family. Then this one is reported in Umbelliferae family. Are you clear? The next one is spadix. So spadix, it is a special. Why? Because the peduncle is slightly swollen. Now this is the peduncle axis, slightly swollen. Why it is swollen, students? Because it is stored food material. Due to the storage of the food material, the peduncle is slightly swelling, so slightly swollen. It is called fleshy peduncle. It have sessile unisexual flowers. Very interesting. In first one, in the second one, in the third one, in the fourth one, all are bisexual flowers. But in spadix, first 10 unisexual flowers are reported in spadix. There are unisexual nothing but female flower and male flower. Female flower is a male flower, and another is female flowers are called unisexual flowers. And also middle neutral flowers also reported. Neutral flowers. Neutral flower is floral reward. So it give chance to lay eggs in neutral flowers. That's purpose the blastophage to visit the inflorescence to lay eggs in neutral flowers. No androecium, no gynoecium in neutral flowers. Space is available. That is empty flower. Then male and female flowers are called unisexual flowers, arranged in acropetal manner. Acropetal manner. Unisexual sessile flowers are arranged in acropetal manner, but flowers are not reported in apex of the axis. That is sterile bud is called appendix, and all flowers are protected by modified tract is called spathe. Is a very important point. Spathe is a modified tract. All the total inflorescence is covered by modified tract is known as spathe. Is reported in spadix. So this type of inflorescence is reported in which family? Aroidae, Colocasia. Are you clear? Colocasia, Aroidae family. This type of inflorescence is reported. The last one is head. Is a very advanced raceme. The question again, which is the advanced raceme? Head is advanced. Advanced nothing but well developed inflorescence. So it is a variety. This is the special type of inflorescence in raceme. In racemose, the head is also nothing but capitulum, and also called anthodium. Anthodium. Students, so look here. Now this is the peduncle axis. The apex of the peduncle is slightly condensed. Now this is the condensation. Now this is called a receptacle. Now this is the slightly condensed peduncle. The apex of the peduncle is slightly condensed, and flowers are arranged in which manner? Centripetal manner. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Letter, center to letter, center. And all flowers are protected by bracts. This is called involucre bract. So head is called capitulum, anthodium. The flowers, the peduncle apex is condensed, is called receptacle, and the flowers are sessile. Flowers, what type of flowers are reported? Sessile, unique. But very important in head inflorescence. Two types of flowers are reported in head inflorescence: unisexual and bisexual. Very important point, students. Unisexual and bisexual. Both types of flowers are reported in head inflorescence. So it is advanced inflorescence. It is reported in Asteraceae family. Are you clear? Like sunflower and tridax, etc. So unisexual and bisexual both are reported. Both are sessiles. Reported in which manner? Arranged in which manner? Centripetal manners. So there are 6 types of racemose inflorescences are there. Raceme, corolla, umbel, spike, spadix and head. So students in the questions ela adutara adi chaala important. So ikkada for example unisexual flowers reported in which inflorescence? Reported in head also, spadix also. Okay, unisexual and bisexual flowers both are reported in head inflorescence. So వీటిలో వచ్చే కామన్ పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి, వీటిలో వచ్చే వేరియేషన్స్ ఏంటి, వీటి యొక్క ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఏంటి, వీటి యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏంటి, ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సిలబస్లో కానీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ సిలబస్లో ఎక్కడైనా వచ్చాయా, వాటి లింక్ అయ్యే కొంచెం చాలా ఉంటాయి. సో ఐపీలో ఓన్లీ చదవడమే, బట్ ఎంసెట్లో ఏంటంటే లింకప్ చేయడము, కామన్ పాయింట్స్ చూసుకోవడము చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. We will discuss another class, Cymose and special type. Okay, bye.